Hello everyone. I just wanted to introduce to you Dr. Jay McLure, DPT. He will share with us things that you can do with a tennis ball with some of your aches and pains.
Right. Well, thank you for that. And yes, we can use a tennis ball to help you with controlling some of your symptoms. If you've ever found yourself having pain in your back or pain down your leg, and you make a fist and place it behind your back, sometimes you can control your symptoms. However, your knuckles get sore and your shoulder gets sore, but we can replace the fist with the use of a ball. By placing the ball in the back, usually at the most tender spot, and then leaning against it, it acts as a mobilization technique to move the bone back into position. Usually you'll find symptoms in your leg and hip dissipate and come up towards the ball. The ball can also be used as a massage or mobilization technique at different areas if the back is hurting. By placing the ball back there, moving the body, now as I bend forward, the ball will drop lower. I can do it again, bend forward, and each time I subsequently move forward, the ball can drop down. So you can use a tennis ball for a technique to help control symptoms in your back and in your leg.
Thank you. Thank you, Jay.